Alright, so I guess now is probably a good time to introduce myself to you guys. I'm Donovan the Yard Barber. Thanks to everybody that takes the time to watch my videos. I really appreciate it. I appreciate the subscribers, the comments, the likes, everything. I want to give a special shout out to Kendrick, the mini Yard Barber. That's my son. He takes time out of his day to watch every single one of my videos that I post at least once. So he asked me a little while ago, he's like, hey man, when's the next video? So I figured I'd put something together. It's wintertime, so I don't have a lot going on. Today's kind of a light load. I've got this playground I got to get cleaned up real quick. It shouldn't take me no time. Maybe from the intro footage, you'll see some of what I got going on. So anyways, let's get to it. Stop wasting time.
Music bed.
Go. As you can see, quick little playground cleanup. It didn't take me long at all, maybe like 45 minutes or so. I did make a couple mistakes recording all this. Like I said, I'm new, bear with me. It'll take me a little bit. The main purpose of this video was so that I could get out and get some practice editing and stuff like that anyway. So I forgot my tripod with the list of tools I had to gather up. I didn't have my tripod on the list and I forgot, so had to make do with what I had. I took the camera and wedged it up into a tree. That's why the perspective is off on some of those. But anyways, I also made a pretty nice outro, one take. In my head, I felt like it went pretty good. I did not fully depress the record button, so that footage is no longer with us. That's why I'm out here today doing it again. Different location, different time of day, and it's also snowing, but I want to get this video wrapped up and submit it to you guys. If you have any questions or if there's something in particular that you'd like to see or like me to do a video on, just leave me a comment down below. I really appreciate the feedback that I get from everybody, both on social media and on Instagram, Facebook, as well as on YouTube. So just shoot me a message. I'll do what I can to make some more videos and more content. I need some ideas. But anyways, thanks a lot. I appreciate you guys watching. Have a nice day.